hands on the pole. Your hands are on your legs. All right, so bring it up, place the pole in the appropriate place. I like to, do the hand hold up top. And then what's happening is I'm grabbing